Hey guys, this is Ray, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at Fuse Audio Labs VREV-140 Vintage Plate Reverb. So I got the plugin open, and let's take a quick look at this diagram because I want you guys to understand how the signal flow works. It actually goes from left to right, meaning the signal starts at this end of the plugin, and it comes out at this side of the plugin. Let's open this diagram. So you can see you have your dry input, you have your drive, HQ, your preamp section, your pre-delay, low cut, decay, low and high shelf, width, balance, and mix, and your output. Now, one of the things I love about this plugin, and there are some other plugins that do this as well, it has an EQ, so you can EQ your reverb. So over here, I have a session, really small session, 2-track, couple of vocals, ad-libs, some automation, couple of plugins. I usually like to put my effects on auxes. It just makes more sense because I can share them instead of putting them on individual track. Even if you have the DSP for it or the processing power for it, just makes sense to do it this way. So we're only going to listen to the lead vocal. It's on solo, so let's go.
Tú sabes quién es. Yeah. Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
So before I started recording this clip, I decided to reset the plugin back to its default settings. So we have these three options: low cut, low shelf, and high shelf. We're only going to focus on the low cut and the high shelf. This is what it sounds like on its default settings.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
So we're going to cut some of that low end out.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento. Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
This is where we were.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
Now let's take a look at the high shelf.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
Let's do a little bit of boosting. Well, okay, a lot of boosting.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
Way too much.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
Pretty nice. All I have to do now is play everything together, open my reverb send, bring the fader down, and mix it back in until I get that balance that I'm looking for. So we have pre-delay, width, and balance.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento. Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
Quantize setting here.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
Let's bring that right there. I don't want too much of that. Let's bring that all the way up.
Tal vez no demuestro todo lo que siento.
So what a wonderful plugin. What a powerful plugin. It actually looks extremely simple to use, but under the hood, there's a lot going on here, and I like it. It sounds great. It gives me everything that I need, and guess what? I don't need to have some extra EQs or anything like that. So here's what I want you to do. That thumbs up, press it. That'll help out the channel. Also, first time watching, subscribe, press the bell for future notifications. I want to thank you for watching this video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.